All right, you guys, man, we back with a banger. We back with a banger, right? Because today, something crazy happened, something amazing happened. So that's what that's why I came to you guys today, because I want to put you guys on game, right? So you can understand and you can have the reasoning why, right? You can have the reasoning why behind the trades for today and what happened today. So what you guys have to be familiar with is the news, guys. The fundamental part of trading, right? So we got analysis down, we got technical analysis down. So now I'm about to introduce you to fundamentals, guys. So fundamentals, right? So listen, let me tell you what I want you guys to do. And this is not a paid promotion or anything like that. I am not a financial advisor or anything of the sort, right? But what I'm doing is just, mentoring you guys, giving you guys my experience just to shorten some of the learning curve for you guys, okay? So what I want you to do is go to my FX book, right? Go to my FX book, right? So go into your Apple phone, go to your app store and whatnot, and then guys, download my FX book, right? What you're gonna do is you're gonna download that, and then that will get you guys to the next level, right? That will allow you guys to know what's going on. Let me see if you can see it. Yeah, so that allow you guys to understand and know what's going on. You feel me? As far as like when the news come out, so you guys can know exactly everything, what good news is coming out. Now, we don't always trade off the news, right? But in situations like this kind of help, guys. This kind of help. Now, the news does not determine direction. It only determines volatility, right? So, if it's volatility about to be in the market because of some type of good news that we heard, then of course price is probably going to go up, right? And then if it's any bad news, probably price is going to go down. So we're talking about the USD, the DXY, guys. So just remember that. So anyways, I'm about to take you into the screen. I'm gonna share it because I already started the timer, so I don't want to short you guys at all, right? Like I said, so this is what happened right here when the news went off right here, okay? So like I said, only thing this determined, guys, is volatility, right? So this means a lot of sellers stepped into the market, right? It was no direction change or anything like that, because we still seeing here, if we come up here, we see a high, lower high, and then boom, right? We get that break, that takeoff, right? Price never came back up here to this line right here. And so price pushed down, right? So this right here was the news, guys. So like I said, you want to go to my FX book, and then you want to be able to understand when the news come out, when the news come on, guys, so you can kind of beef your trading style up. So we had a nice pattern that we had here, right here in the 15-minute. Then we had this nice divergence right here. So we had this nice divergence, right, giving us that downtrend right here, that downtrend effect right there. And then boom, that's what happened. So like I said, guys, I really wanted to give you this I really wanted to give you this video just to show you guys about the news, to give you guys to be awareness of fundamental, right? And like I said, we can go right here. Let's go right here, and then we can look up right, the definition of fundamental, so you guys can understand what it is, why is it important, if it is important, right? Okay, that's crazy. All right, so we're gonna go to what did I say? Volatility. What did I say, Moon? We're gonna type in fundamental. Trade today. Did you tell them you're not fundamental analysis? All right, guys. So we're gonna look up fundamental analysis. All right. Well, let me see. Definition, guys. All right. The definition of fundamental analysis. Oh, it was right there. I'm sorry. So fundamental analysis is accounting and finance. Is the analysis of business, financial statements, health, and competitors and markets, right? It also consider the overall state of the economy and factors including the latest interest rates, right? production, earning, employment, GDP, housing, manufacturing, and management, guys. So as you guys can see, it's very important because of the simple fact. It's very important because of the simple fact, you know, it lets us know, you know, whether it's high, medium, low, right? And this type of news can affect the charts because, like I said, depending if it's good or bad. So if the U.S. just got good news, the U.S. shoots to the top, and then, you know, obviously Australia is not going to be stronger than the USA if the USA is moving and getting stronger. So that means that odd gets weaker, and that's why you see this drop right here, right? So pretty much, like I said, we still doing the same basics that I showed you guys, which is we're making sure we understand, right? Higher low, right? We understanding that prices failing to make any higher highs, and we're getting lower highs, right? So this is a high, lower high, lower high, right? So, and then we finally got that volatility from the good news that we got from the USA, from the fundamental part, and then boom, we got that good volatility rush right here, and boom, that's how we can execute our trades, guys. So, man, I hope this video is helpful, useful. You know, I hope you guys is liking the channel, right? And like I told you guys, if I can get any type of news, or if I can get, if I can help you guys in any kind of way, you already know what to do, because you can get me on a personal level, a one-on-one, so we can actually come up with a trading plan, so we can actually come up with an actual physical, you know, risk management, risk to reward plan that works for you guys. So basically, you know, you might have a schedule, you might have things you have to do. We do not have to sit in front of the screen for 30 years, guys. I can kind of like I said, I can kind of teach you guys that, and we can go in depth, right, of the situation. You know, so right here, why I got you guys here, what I mean by like correlation, correlations is you know, pairs that's similar, right? So this NZD, same pair, we could have had the same trade going right here, right, guys? So you know, never be afraid to draw your lines up, you know, to make sure you're marking off to understanding, right, the traffic, which way price is going. And then, you know, you always want to, you know, look for your shapes, right? All the things we went over and we talked about, guys. So there's no way you guys should be leaving in the comment section dry like that, right? You guys should be telling me like, oh, okay, yeah, boom, I used this, I used that today, right? You should be able to be coming to me and telling me like, oh, okay, I like how this worked, right? So now, like I said, I'm giving you 2 correlation pairs as a free gift from me to you right here. So you could have caught this money right here, all this bag right here. Let's see how many pips. Yep, 60 some pips right there. Let's see all the way. Let me see all the way. So if you would have been in up here somewhere, sure, you'd have had 80, 90 pips. You feel me? Aggressive person like me, boom, I'm in right here. Second entry, third entry, right? So, you know, you guys got to start using everything that I'm showing you guys and starting to use it and implement it right onto your charts, right? You should be able to make money right away with everything that I'm telling you guys. You should be able to make money right away. So like I said, man, if you want the free Discord so you can look at different shapes, patterns, and things like that, if you want the free OnlyFans, I'm gonna leave everything in the description below, right? We got the Telegram, we got the free Telegram, right? We got the paid signal Telegram. We got all different types of things, guys, that'll help you guys get, you know, more in tune and in depth. And like I said, we $100 full access to me. We can go over all type of strategies, any type of plan that'll work for you, different strategies for you to enter into the market that you like, that you can trust, right? We're gonna basically go over pure price action. You get to get all my indicators that I use. Basically the whole 9, guys, the whole rundown, man. So you already know, man, smart money game. I appreciate you guys, man. Keep watching these videos, keep educating yourself. And like I said, I applaud you guys for taking actions and steps into the next, you know, into the next situation, so, or to the next advance or big movement in your life. I'm proud of you guys. So like I said, even if I'm not the mentor, always try to seek out help, man. But But here's the basic knowledge that you definitely need to know before even seeking out any type of help or any type of coming up with any type of idea or plan, or even if you're about to try to put your live money into the markets, guys. You're doing the right step right now just by coming onto this channel and getting some of the information, using some of the information. Like I said, guys, go back, use every tool and everything that I gave you guys, and just put everything together, right? And then try to, like I say, step up your trading. So right here, all this was the news, right? We all had good news as far as the USD, right? And so, boom, that's what you got. You got this nice, this nice run. Pretty much, man, that's about it. If you guys, right here and here. So if you guys, like I said, want a deeper mentorship, man, I'm gonna leave everything in the description below. And yeah, it's your boy. Thanks for watching. Smart Money Gang. Y'all know what time it is, man. Let's get it.